Hello, welcome to KMTRADERS channel. We're looking at gold for this video. So we're just going to look at all of the options that we could expect to see in the next week, and hopefully some of the scenarios do occur. So I'm just going to point out all of the key scenarios and where the levels that you should be all looking. So just before we get into that, we will be posting all of our updates of when price hits these levels on our Twitter. So that's at KMTRADERS, at KMTTraders_. So the link will be in the description. So potentially go ahead and follow that if you're interested. So where we are standing right now, so we're currently recording this a lot earlier than we usually do. But what we have to do is, depending on where this 4-hour candle closes, if we get a close above, we will be looking at a buying option in terms of the bias, and that's because we've broken our 4-hourly downtrend here, so this bullish momentum is here. We just have to find levels of support, and that will be the best buying scenario. So the places that we will be looking for buying options, so if price is able to push up and close above these two levels, we'll wait for the pullback to either this point here, and that is 1535, and hopefully we find this level of support and we get the push to the upside. Now if this level closes just above but not above this, we could expect a push to the upside here, and then a retest in this yellow zone here, so that would be at 1528, and then we could get this level to act as support before we get the push to the upside. Now finally, the other scenario is if this candle does not close above this yellow box, we would possibly have to wait until price closes below, so we would expect a pullback all the way down to 1510, and if this level acts as support, then we could expect this to go a lot higher. So the lower the price retraces, obviously that it means more potential for profits, but we just have to stay patient, make sure that we're not entering too early right now. I know I'm posting this video a lot earlier, but it's important to wait for the market for next week, because this is a kind of a preview of what is going to, well, what we're expecting for next week. So the market will be closing today at 10 p.m. So I possibly wouldn't consider getting into trades just because of the Monday gap that starts, and with all the orders getting filled in from the weekend, it could jump a lot higher or a lot lower, and obviously that can affect your account. So obviously make sure you take your own precaution with that. So that will be all for this video. We will be posting all on our Twitter updates, and we will also continue to post our videos. So if you do find our videos very helpful in any shape or way or form, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and definitely leave a comment or anything you'd like, and thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you next week.